We have the newest edition of the Dinosaurdracula Fun Pack. This is for June 2026. Included in every one, as always, an exclusive essay from Matt, Dinosaurdracula, and a rundown of all the items. We'll get to the items now. 1991 Desert Storm cards. These are not the Topps Baseballs Desert Storm, which are like incredibly hard to find, that they were issued to the military people there on base overseas. They have like a little emblem on them, and they're about 10 times worth the amount of regular baseball cards. But these are like military and political people at the time, so look for that Saddam Hussein rookie card in there. That's been going kind of hot lately for whatever reason. House of Wax. Wax melts. Okay, that's hard. Say that 5 times fast, yeah. This is toasted marshmallow, and it smells like toasted marshmallow and bubblegum, maybe? I don't know. But it's really neat. It's cute. I like things like this. I like things that make the house smell good. I like sprays and things like that. I don't know. That's just what I like. Next is an incredibly cool, what year is this? 1991 Mirage Studios Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle holographic like sticker card. That's super cool. Yeah, which one do I have here? I can't. Michelangelo, which is everybody likes Mikey, right? That's like the it's either you like Raphael or you like Mikey, right? He always gives us a little snack or something like that in the boxes. This time it's a pack of Planer peanuts and a pack of Juicy Fruit. Always something Matt does in every one of the boxes. You get some type of candy, some type of snack. We've got an entire like packs of like Hubba Bubba Bubblicious bubblegum. Again, say that 5 times fast. Next item is a Friday the 13th Part 6 soundtrack on cassette, and that sumbitch is purple. That is an amazing color. I love that. This is like the third one we've got now. We've got this one. We got was it Jason in New York? We got the or Brooklyn, whatever movie that is. I think it's 5, right? And then we got. No, it's not 5, because 5 is the one where the other guy is Jason. It's not actually Jason. Anyways, it was whatever one, and it was a really cool soundtrack. This one is number 6, which may be that. I'm not 100% sure. I can't remember. And then rounding out the box is a couple of other little small things here. You always get a little poster print, and these are like done on really nice cardboard. Not cardboard, but cardstock. And it is the Ninja Turtles Pizza Crunch-a-Bungas. Really cool. Last one was Gizmo from, it was like a stuffed Gizmo from the Gremlins. And then a sticker. This is a Ghoulies ice cream bar. So really cool stuff. So this is $25 shipped, okay? Usually in the boxes you get an incredible value. Like that cassette alone is like a $20 cassette. I have actually sold one of them on eBay for like 25 bucks because I didn't need it. It was Silent Night, Deadly Night. A great value, and they're actually really limited runs. So like I had to wait, I think 2 or 3 months to even get into it. I was on the wait list, and I've been subscribed for over a year now, and every box has been absolutely phenomenal. I've got like I don't know if you can see up there. I've got my graveyard of boxes up there from the Dinosaurdracula boxes, and actually I use them for shipping because they're like perfect for shipping. So like this one's last month's, I think. Look how big a box is for 25 bucks. And what did you get inside? You got a He-Man figure, right? Like stuff like this. You get this stuff in a box for 25 bucks. Not only did you get that, you got an official vintage Gumby bumper sticker. Like everything in this is a lot of times has to do with vintage stuff. A lot of this stuff is actually vintage dead stock. I have no idea where he gets the stuff at, but it's incredibly cool. I have absolutely no idea where he gets his stock at. Again, this guy's got connections like the Mafia, and Matt always has the coolest stuff in every single box I've ever had. I have never been disappointed with a single box. Like I said, it's 25 bucks shipped. How much is shipping on a box like that? Like $10 almost now? The post office is ridiculous. So if this is something that interests you, go to dinosaurdracula.com or follow Matt on Instagram or Facebook. He's everywhere, right? Nostalgia overload, right? If you're into nostalgia, if you love 80s and 90s stuff, this box is for you. I love stuff like this. So pick yours up, 25 bucks from Dinosaurdracula. Join the waiting list. Hope somebody drops out, and I probably won't. And yeah, sometimes he has a couple extras left over if he has extra stuff, but those go incredibly fast. That's actually how I got in on the first one, was a leftover box. So I got it. You just buy it straight out and without a subscription. But I do the subscription through PayPal, so it just automatically takes that the first of the month, or I think 7th of the month. And he ships them around the 15th to 20th of the month. So, yeah, amazing value, amazing nostalgia, Dinosaur Dracula.